Okay, so number 37 says the position of an object attached to a spring is given by the following position function, where t is time in seconds. In the first 4 seconds, so our domain, if you will, is going to be 0 to 4. Okay, how many times is the velocity of an object equal to 0? So from 0 to 4, we're trying to see where is the slope. Okay, so on 0 to 4, where is the velocity, or f prime of x, which in this case is y prime of t, equal to 0. So all I have to do is just plug this into my calculator. This is a calculator problem. And I'm just going to look at where are the primes, or the f primes, the first derivatives, where are they equal to 0. Alright, so let's go to the calculator real quick. Alright, so if I go to y equals, my y2 and y3 are already set, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put 1/6 cosine of 5x. Okay, so 1/6 cosine of 5x, and we're going to subtract 1/4 sine of 5x. So subtract 1/4 sine of 5x. Okay, and now I'm going to go real quick just so I can see the differences, or only look at what I need to observe, is whenever my f primes are equal to 0. I want to see when is the velocity of this position, which is that f prime, equal to 0. So I don't even have to graph the original function. Okay, I can leave it unchecked and I can turn it off. I just need to go down here and turn on my second function. That's the only one that I need to see if whenever it's equal to 0. Alright, so I'm going to go to the graph. Because it is a trigonometric function, I'm going to say zoom 7, just so it gives me a better picture. And we're going to see between 0 and 4 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. Whoops. I'm going to go to the window as soon as it finishes graphing, and I'm just going to zero in on 0 to 4 seconds. Now, I don't have to do that. I'm just doing it so I don't account one too many or one less than the answer, since some of those answers seem to be very close together. Alright, so I will come to the window, and I will change this to 0, then I will change this to 4, and we can leave this as 1. And if I go to the graph now, you're going to see all I have to do is identify when is this f prime crossing the x-axis, because that's whenever it is equal to 0. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it looks like it's going to hit 6 times, and this is at 4 seconds, so it won't have a chance to get back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times is going to be my answer, so that my answer is D.